Welcome back to the next video, and in this video we're going to be looking at something called as the hotkeys or the alt keys. Imagine a scenario where your mouse is not working or you want to kind of look cool in front of your colleagues or friends. You can use the alt key. What the alt key does is, now let's assume you can see right now I am in the data tab or the data ribbon, and if I want to go to any of the ribbons on top or any of the tabs on top, let's assume I want to go to the home tab. All I need to press is the alt key, alt key on your keyboard. On your keyboard, usually it is at the bottom next to the space bar. So if I press that, you can see that there are various letters. I don't have to keep holding the alt key. I just press it once and let it go. And you will see that right now, for if I want to access the home ribbon, I can see the letter for home is H. For insert it is N, page layout is P, and also the quick access bar, which we will talk about in detail later. So if I want to go to the home tab, so I press the H key, and right now I am in the home ribbon. And if I want to align this text, so in D3 we have a text. So let's try this once again. I'm going to press the escape key and go back. I'm going to be here and I want to align this text to the right. Right now, if you see that the text is aligned to the left. So I would press Alt and then I press H. And if you see the for align right, it is AR. You can see the alphabet here. So I press A followed by R. And if I want to align it to the left now, so I'll press Alt H, align left. So I press A first and L next. I'm not doing any of these simultaneously. I'm doing them one by one. And let's assume I want to now align my text vertically. How do I do that? So I press Alt and then I press H or H. And if you see, this is where it is, the orientation. So the alphabets for that is F and Q. So I press F and then I press Q, you will get these options. Now, if you want to align the text vertical, what is the alphabet there? You can see that it is V. So I just press V and my text is aligned like this. You can access any of these menus. So now please tell me in the comments as to how would you access the review ribbon or tab. So if I press Alt and R, and now maybe I want to change the page layout. So Alt and page layout is P, and I want to change the size or orientation of this, so that's O, and I'm going to change it to landscape. So these are the ways that you can access these hot alt keys or the hotkeys. I would request you to go through these practices, and I will see you in the next video.